Welcome to On The Beat, everyone. I'm Troy Thompson. Joining me today is Amanda Fondren. Now, Amanda's from Omnis Health Clinic, and today we're talking all about vitamin D efficiency. And I have to tell you, it is so important to know your vitamin D levels, correct?
Correct.
Welcome to the show, my friend.
Thank you.
Nice to see you. I did not know that I was severely low with vitamin D. And now I'm taking 2 pills a day, one in the morning and one in the night. Let's explain to everyone at home, vitamin D, why is it important to us?
So vitamin D plays a huge role in lots of different systems in the body. The immune system, the gut system, the musculoskeletal system, and the metabolic system.
Okay, explain to people at home how one would find out if they're lacking in vitamin D. Some of the symptoms.
Okay, some of the symptoms you could experience: musculoskeletal pain,
Yes.
muscle weakness and decrease in strength, tooth decay. You can experience tooth decay, fatigue, headaches, hair loss, metabolic issues.
Same for men and women, right? Wow.
Frequent illness.
All from lack of vitamin D. And
Yes.
we want everyone to know vitamin D, we're not talking about from the sun. Because people say, oh, you need a little bit of vitamin D. So you go out and sunbake, right?
Yeah.
We're talking internal.
We're talking in your whole system.
Yeah.
Our body actually manufactures vitamin D when we get out in the sun.
Right.
But where we're at these days with our diet is we don't make enough.
I know.
Yeah.
It's what we
It's
eat.
not enough to be in the sun to have adequate vitamin D levels.
Look, everything you and I talk about over these last almost year, it's all about what you eat, isn't it?
A lot
really?
of it.
It's what we shove
It's
in our mouth.
a lot
Speaking
of
about
it.
shoving stuff in our mouth, when is the best time to take vitamin D and what do we take it with? Because I made a big mistake about this.
So vitamin D is really important to take with food and with a meal that has some fat in it because it's a fat-soluble vitamin.
Why is it so important now there's COVID and omnivirus?
Because vitamin D is a huge player in immune function,
Isn't
and
it?
COVID attacks the immune system, but it's also a huge player in the neurological system, and COVID attacks that.
Now,
and
is vitamin D an injection or just a pill?
it's a capsule or
Okay.
pill.
And we need to have blood tests to find out if we're low, right?
Right.
Not a swab.
No.
You need to come in and see you and have the blood test
Right.
done. How soon, once we start taking the capsule, do we see a difference? Is it a month?
So it kind of depends on your system and if you're taking it right. It can take up to 3 months to start getting that level up to a therapeutic level. And it can take even 6 months to get to an optimal level.
Really? That's amazing. I didn't know that. I thought it was like a few weeks and you're good to go.
Not
Bob's your
really.
uncle. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I want to ask you a personal question on this. With all the things that we talk about, what is the most fulfilling thing that you do with your work?
Really?
Yeah.
The thing that gives me the most fulfillment is fixing somebody. When somebody walks out my clinic door better than when they came in, and they feel like somebody listened and really fixed the root cause of their problem.
When you say the root cause and someone listens, people aren't listening anymore. I know when I go to the doctor, I have to ask him multiple questions because he's not asking me.
Oh,
Do you know the difference?
I
Do you
absolutely
understand
know
what I'm
the
saying there?
difference. Yeah.
I feel that our system is just a quick fix. Let's get in, get a jab, let's take a pill.
Right.
But I think once you have a conversation with your health provider, a true conversation is what needs to happen.
Sometimes that's really hard to have, but I don't function like that. So
Yeah.
that would be foreign to me.
Yeah.
To just
I
have
agree.
somebody in, do what, in 5 minutes out the door.
And I
That's
think-
not how we work.
I think that's the most important thing that you always get across with us. So thank you so much.
Thanks.
If you want to find out more information about Omnis Health Clinic, there it all is up on the screen for you.